Right. So everyone, listen. Okay, Icon, just want to know, how old are you turning today? Ilang taon ka na ngayong araw na to?
7.
Okay, you heard it right. Icon is turning 7 years old today. At dahil Icon is celebrating her 7th birthday party, lahat tayo at the count of 3, we're all gonna give her 7 heart clap, okay? 7 bagsak. Pagkabilang ko ng tatlo. Now ready? 1, 2, 3, go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And sigaw natin, happy birthday, Icon! Happy birthday, Icon! Bigyan natin sa Icon ng maraming palakpak. Ayan. Okay. Now, I'm gonna ask Icon about her favorites. Now, let's start with Icon, what's your favorite food?
Spaghetti.
Oh! So no wonder kung bakit isa sa mga pagkain in order ni Mom is spaghetti. And what else? Now, what's your favorite color?
Pink.
Okay, you have to take note everything what I am asking because mamaya may part tayo na mind game at yun lahat ay tatanong ko. Okay, kuya? So, ngayon naman, what's your favorite subject?
Geography.
Oh, geography. Okay. I don't know what geography is, but can you define it to me what geography? What geography is? So, do you know? Alam mo ba kung ibig sabihin ng geography? Geo means earth. Am I right? Tama ba ako? Math daw yun. Okay, baka geometry naman yung sinasabi, di ba? Okay, we're done with her favorite subject. Now, who's your favorite cartoon character?
Barbie.
Barbie! Ayan! Hindi niyo ba alam na ang team natin ngayon is Barbie? So kung napapansin niyo, ang team natin ngayon ay talagang andun si Barbie. Ayan! Okay, palakpakan natin si Icon! Thank you so much, Icon. Now, okay. Yes! Party was natin itong pinag parodies. Now, gusto mo talunin. Ready ba kayo maglaro? Now! Gusto ko na malakas na yes. Go!